Yes, sir.
Can I have your permit?
Sure.
We're going to do we're going to do the controls, so leave the power on. I want you to go ahead and grab the handbrake. Okay, release the handbrake, do the foot brake. Okay, off the foot brake. Okay, right turn signal. Left turn signal. Good. And high beams. Okay, high beams off. Horn. Okay. All right. And we're going to start with the figure 8. Okay. So as you can see, we set cones up. You have to stay within this box. So you have to do 3 figure 8s. So
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
If this was the box here, you're just going to do your figure 8s in there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you got to stay within the lines and within the cones. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll let you go ahead and take some practice runs if you want to go around here and get a feel for it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Start on the right, left, or middle. It's easier if you just start on the right or left, and you're just going to weave the vehicle, the motorcycle, in and out.
Oh,
You're going
okay.
to do it one time.
Okay.
So you go start there and then come through.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's the guy we need to talk to right there. We got to talk to him. We got to do something about those people parking. That's apparently the guy that's supposed to paint the line. Okay, so what we're going to do now, sir, is we're going to do the emergency stop. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up around here. You're going to go up this parking aisle, and you see that light post? The light post where that white vehicle is?
Yes, sir. White.
You're going to go out around that light post, and you're going to come back down here, and you're going to shift into second gear and be about 25 miles an hour. We're going to simulate an emergency stop right here. So this cone right here represents when you notice something in the road, a deer, debris, anything. It's when you notice you need to stop immediately. This is the area you need to stop in. Any part of the vehicle can stop in this area. Could be where you're at, could be the front tire, could be the rear tire, but some part of it has to stop in that box.
Oh, inside, sir?
Inside that box.
Okay.
So you go around, grab second gear, and then, now this is a rainy day, first of all, but you see that gravel?
Yes.
Now you're going to be coming down here, but there is still gravel in there. You want to be cautious of that, and you notice the water's puddling up there, so we have some hazards here.
Yes,
so
sir.
I want you to be careful. Don't dump your bike trying to pass this test. Okay, and if you want to lodge a complaint in with PennDOT for the poor conditions of the parking lot, that's fine. But so when you Shut the engine off. Okay, well that was good. All right, congratulations, you passed.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. You should be careful out there.
Yes, of course.